What do you say, baby? All right. Let's go.
All right.
Oh, this is a nice one. Look at all the pumpkins, baby. Why don't we take a picture with the pumpkins? You want to take a picture with the pumpkins? Do you want to touch the pumpkins, baby? Why not? Up. Say hi, mommy.
Hi. We're here in Duxbury Farm.
Yeah.
Having fun.
Yes, courtesy of Mama Abby and Lolo Jules. Lolo, say hi.
And
It's a video.
our photographer is the beautiful Nep.
I did you see the mosquito on top of the roof?
Everybody look here. I'm taking a photo, Dad. Daddy.
Picture. Baby, you get wet.
Yellow tower electronic devices are now allowed to rise in motion. When the tower comes back to the floor, take your device to the nearest ride operator. Restraints will be unlocking. Please stop the line when your next operator.
Is that your ride?
How about pa landscape?
That's your ride.
Parang pwede YouTube.
Bakit? Pwede naman ganito sa YouTube.
You might check your arm, baby.
Wait, I gotta go.
Oh, wait, never mind. Yeah, no.
I need to go faster. Parang gusto ko magpalit ng ganitong phone.
Ayan.
Parang mas maganda yung camera.
One.
Ah! Ah!
And Tita Jane.
Mama Abby.
What about mommy? Mommy. Or daddy? Or daddy?
We can sit there and sleep. Oh. You can daddy.
Ikaw na kayo doon. Kunin namin ang...
Hold time.
Wait to daddy na. Other Lolo and daddy. Lolo and daddy.
Kasi, Lolo and Dad.
Welcome back, campers. Please remain seated until your basket comes to a point complete stop on the ground and enjoy the rest of your day here at Mountain.
Sumigaw siya.
Hands up, Betsy, hands up. Hands up.
Say hi to Lolo.
Hands up. Mabilis siya.
Malaglag na. Kaya na guys. I think you can just make it faster.
Go!
Are you okay, Gracie? Are you enjoying? Yeah? Ano? What?
Hindi ko alam bakit chill na chill.
Please remain seated on the seat, please.
Oh. Okay, we're stopping.
Thank you.
Wow.
This next dance I'd like to share with you. These are authentic wings of a golden eagle. You can see how large that bird is. Full-grown eagle has a wingspan of over 7 feet. The female eagle is larger than the male eagle. Here in North America, there's 2 species of eagles. The first is the American bald eagle, the second the American golden eagle. If you were able to travel around the world and visit the 7 major continents, each of those landmasses has its own version of the eagle. Places like Asia, Africa, Germany, Switzerland, their eagles are very similar to our 2 eagles here in North America. The tribal people in this land have always utilized the eagle's feathers for spiritual purposes. Many songs were composed for the eagle's spirit. This particular dance I'm going to share with you comes from the Southwest. The old Pueblo villages, Arizona, New Mexico, is where this dance comes from. In its ceremonial version, there's literally hundreds of songs that can go to this dance. I recorded one of those songs, and the dance steps that go to this particular song tell the story of the eagle's life. When that eagle first hatches from the egg, takes his first flight, learns to hunt to feed himself and his family. Toward the end of the dancer turning in a circle, representing the eagle's spirit returning home. So if you watch closely, symbolically the dance moves tell that story. So I'd like to share with you my version of the eagle dance.
enjoy that? All right. Baby, which one do you want? You have to make sure to choose.
No.
Which one? Huh?
What's that?
21 with
Oh,
the
yeah.
tax. Okay, 1 second.
All campers to Charlie Brown's Kite Players, please remain seated. No eating or drinking. Keep hands and feet inside the rides. Watch who's articles like
Daddy!
plastic glasses, no cell phones and electronics. Thank you and enjoy.
Yan. Grazie! Na-enjoy na inaantok na yun eh. Ang sarap mahangin.
Yan din ang favorite ko ng baby bago eh. Sa Enchanted.
Yung flying fiesta.
Nice.
Tumataas pa na siya. Whee!
I know that's a big thing to
Welcome back, campers. Please remain seated. I'll be there shortly to release your restraints. Have a great day here in Knott's Berry Farm.
Right here. Thank you.
Say bye, train.
It's okay. We will come back. You want to take a picture with the kid in the telephone? You want to take a picture with the Amanda? Oh, okay.
Thank you, Lolo. It's a video. Thank you. She has an emo on her face.
Paano nyo nalaman bakit?
Baby! Look straight. Look straight. She's not yet finished. You want glitter? Yeah, let's put a little bit. Yeah.
Kasi yung pinalagay niya sa aquarium, yung isda na puro pangil.
Ito ang tawag yun eh. Pero yung parang galing prehistoric. Kasi napanood na rin kay Nemo yun.
Grabe.
Wow!
Beautiful.
Wow! You like it? Say thank you. Yee! Say thank you. Oh.
Thank you.
Kiss mama and lolo. Kiss mama and lolo. Yay! How about lolo?
More than 20 yan.
It's very dizzying. There's Patsy.
Your ride on the Surfside Riders is...
So like this.
Say hi, look. Look here, Dad. It's a video.
You want to see the giant mosquito? Okay, are you ready?
She wants to watch.
Can you count 1 to 2? Then I will show you the giant mosquito. Can you bring it? Ready? Okay, there. Giant mosquito.
Look at it.